Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting Zoom on your PC and confirming basics. Download and install the Windows client, then sign in with email, Google, or your SSO account. Once done, grant camera and mic permissions so audio and video work. Open settings and run the audio test. Speak and listen to confirm input and output. Then check video to confirm framing and lighting. Adjust webcam angle now so you don't fix it during a meeting. Now you'll join or host meetings and set features that shape the call. To join, paste the meeting ID or URL, enter your display name, and choose Join with Computer Audio. Unmute when ready. To host, click New Meeting, then invite via email or copy invite. Make sure waiting room or passcode is on if needed. Once in, switch between gallery and speaker view, pin or spotlight speakers, and use the participants panel to mute, rename, or manage attendees. Finish strong by sharing content, recording, and closing cleanly. Click Share Screen, pick a specific window or your full desktop, and tick Share Computer Sound for videos. Use Advanced for a portion of screen. If you need a copy, record locally or to the cloud and confirm where files save. When done, stop share, end meeting for everyone, or leave as co-host. If things go wrong, try restarting Zoom, check microphone/camera in settings, and reconnect to the meeting. That fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.